Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming. I'm so glad you're here. This is going to be our last Christmas episode for the year, and I'm going to do some garland for my tree because I can't find what I want, so I'm just going to make my own. Hopefully it turns out okay, but if not, I'll just use it for something else. I don't know. Anyway, it's going to be just 3 supplies, and it's all from the Dollar Tree. So pretty cheap. You're just gonna need some glitter balls and ribbon and a glue gun. That's it. And I'm gonna show you so you know what I'm talking about. It might be a little bit time consuming, but it's super easy. And I think this is probably something that you could do with the kids, I don't know. I don't have kids, but seems like this would be okay for them if you handle the glue gun, they burn themselves and shit. So anyways, let's dive in and get this thing done because I want to put it on my tree. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your ribbon. Of course, I'm using glitter ribbon. Just gonna rip this bitch off and go ahead and grab that piece. Okay, look how pretty. All right, so now you've got your glue gun ready to go, and I already separated the glitter balls. So I got pink, green, this like light blue, and this really pretty dark blue. Now, if you look at the supplies that I show you, these come in one pack with all these different colors. I took out the red and the orange because I don't want those colors in this scheme. And then I bought some of these separately because I like that color. So you're just gonna start. This is so easy, you guys. I love this. So you're gonna take your glue gun, make a little line, because this stuff dries fast. And I'm just gonna start just want to make sure you guys can see. So that's, basically it. And then I'm gonna show you when I'm done so you see what it looks like. But honestly, this is like so freaking easy and so cheap. And then hopefully once I get it on the tree, it's gonna look super cute. You're welcome. Okay, so this is where we're at. And I just wanted to let you guys know that they do not give you the same amount of colors. So you might have to buy some extra bags just to make sure you have enough to finish. Now, I have a small tree, so I don't really need a whole lot, but if you have, a big regular sized tree, you're gonna need multiple bags to do this. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like on my tree, and I hope you have a great day. And yeah, that's all I got. All right, love you guys. Do you guys want to hear something gross? Me too. Okay, so I'll tell you. Cows poop 15 times a day, and that can amount to 115 pounds of poop a day, which calculates to about 21 ton a year. I don't do the math, I just read it. Anyways, they do use it for fertilizer, and then they have, like, they'll send it over to these other countries that use it for biogas for power and stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty shitty. Okay, so here it is. I kind of think maybe I need some more. So I'll probably go back to the store and make some more.